Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft is about to improve the privacy of using a camera or microphone with some apps. So if you look at the privacy settings right now in your privacy and security tab, you will have, of course, the different privacy or security things that have to do with microphone, camera. If you notice, when you look at camera, you have some apps that have their own switches for the camera access. But when you look at some desktop apps, you'll notice that they're all grouped into only one on and off slider. But you might want to use one, but not have the others use it. So you don't have that choice right now. And the same goes with if you look at microphone, the same thing will happen in the microphone options. So you go here, you have your sliders for some of the core apps, but you have tons of apps that are all grouped. And basically, most of them are apps that you just, download from the internet. Once again, one slider for all of them. So you don't have the choice app per app. This is going to change soon as they're going to have all separate sliders. Microsoft says that for privacy reasons, they will also, with the desktop apps, have a slider for each. It's being tested right now in some of the insider builds and coming, of course, eventually to our Windows 11 operating system, where you'll have full control of every app that can use a camera or not. It is a privacy concern for some people, where, when a camera can be used. And some people even, put a tape over the laptop camera because they're afraid that something can trigger the camera on. So now this is going to be even better because each app will have its own slider. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.